Hello friends, myself Professor Prashant Mahajan working as an assistant professor at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today we are going to see or discuss power alcohol and biodiesel, its preparation, properties and applications. So first, that is power alcohol. So if you go to the petrol pump, there are two types of petrol. That is, petrol is there, power alcohol is there. So what is power alcohol? So power alcohol is the mixture or mixture of ethanol and petrol. So ethanol or ethyl alcohol is used as fuel in the internal combustion engine. It is called as power alcohol. That is 5 to 25% mixture with petrol. In India, 5% ethyl alcohol is used in petrol from 2003. Brazil is using 25% ethyl alcohol in petrol from 1970. It reduces dependence for petrol on foreign countries. You can see 5% ethanol if we are using or blending in petrol, it is saving our currency by about 10,000 crore per annum if we are using only 5%. So that is power alcohol definition. When manufacturing of ethyl alcohol, so it can be manufactured by fermentation of molasses, starch, carbohydrates on large scale and cheaply. So you can see the first procedure. The starch is there. We are going to mix it with water. Enzyme is diastase and it will give you maltose. And after using maltase enzyme, it is going to give glucose. So for the preparation of ethyl alcohol, we require glucose. So you can get glucose from starch, maltose, you will get glucose. Second, you can get glucose directly from sucrose. So sucrose, after the action of enzyme invertase, it will give glucose and fructose. So you can get glucose from the above two reactions, and glucose will convert into ethyl alcohol. So that ethyl alcohol obtained contains 95.5% alcohol and 4.5% water. So water from alcohol separated by using a suitable dehydrating agent like alumina or by distilling along with benzene. So absolute alcohol is there, that is 100% alcohol, it is called as absolute alcohol. If 95% alcohol is there and 5% water is there, then it is called as rectified spirit. And last is denatured alcohol, that is methyl alcohol mixed in ethyl alcohol, that is called as denatured alcohol. Then advantages are given, that is first, it has high octane number, that is 90. Petrol has octane number 65. So it is higher than petrol. It saves currency. It is cheaply available. It contains oxygen that will be helpful for combustion and reduces the release of harmful gases. And last, it has property of absorbing any traces of water if present in the petrol. So that are the some advantages. Disadvantages, it has lower calorific value, that is 7,000 calorie per gram. Petrol has calorific value 11,500 calorie per gram. So use of power alcohol reduces output up to 35%. So that is the first limitation or disadvantage. Second, it has surface tension, means at lower temperature starting trouble. Third, engines needs to be modified. So we have to modify engine so that we can use power alcohol. Last, ethyl alcohol may undergo oxidation to form acetic acid which corrode engine parts. So that are the some disadvantages. So that's about power alcohol. And last, we are going to see biodiesel. So biodiesel, it is the chemically mixture of methyl esters of long chain carboxylic acid, which can be prepared by the process of esterification. That is called as trans-esterification. So trans-esterification, it is the process of converting one ester to another ester. So we are going to use vegetable oil for this purpose. That is, we can use soybean oil, palm oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, cottonseed oil, and we are going to mix that oil into methanol in the presence of sodium methoxide that will be converted to biodiesel and glycerol. So you can see the reaction. This is your triglyceride, that is your vegetable oil. It may be soybean oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, cottonseed oil. We are going to mix this with methanol in the presence of sodium methoxide that will convert this vegetable or triglyceride into mixture of fatty esters and glycerin. So a molecule of fat, oil, triester of glycerol, and three molecules of long chain carboxylic acid. So biodiesel layer is washed with water to remove excess of methanol or glycerol if any. So you have to separate that glycerol from the fatty ester by mixing it with water. So glycerol is mixed in the water and you will get two layers. So B100, if you are using, you need modification in the diesel engine. You can use B5 and B20. So what is B5? B5 means 5% biodiesel and 95% diesel. B20 means 20% biodiesel and 80% diesel. So method you can see. So first, filter the cheap non-edible or waste vegetable oil or animal fat. So which is used for cooking purpose, that oil you can use. Heat that oil up to 110 degrees Celsius with stirring to remove any water from it. Prepare sodium methoxide from sodium metal and methanol. Add the sodium methoxide about 2% by weight to the vegetable oil or fat. Then add methanol about 20% by volume to the mixture. Reflux that mixture for 30 minutes at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Cool and mix sufficient water. Stir well the glycerol and soap dissolved in the water phase. Separate the water insoluble phase, that is biodiesel, from the water phase. Add antioxidant to the biodiesel to avoid it to become gummy due to oxidation and polymerization. So you can see the method is given, that is, first use cheap non-edible oil. Second, heat that oil up to 110 degrees Celsius. Third, you have to prepare sodium methoxide by mixing sodium with methanol about 2% by weight to the vegetable oil. Then you have to add 20% methanol by volume. Then you have to reflux that mixture for 30 minutes at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Then next you have to cool and mix that mixture with sufficient water, stir well. In that process, glycerol and soap dissolved in the water. And you can separate water insoluble phase from the water. And last, add antioxidant to the biodiesel to avoid it to become gummy due to oxidation and polymerization. So this is the method of preparation of biodiesel. And last, these are the some compounds present in the biodiesel. So this is going to form, that is methyl palmate, then stearate, oleate and linolate. So this is nothing but this one. So this is the compounds which is present in the biodiesel. So advantages and disadvantages. First, it is cheaper. Then Then it has high cetane number, that is 42, 54, and high calorific value, that is 40 kilojoule per kilogram. Next, it is regenerative and eco-friendly. Then fourth one is it burns clean. Next, it has better lubricity due to higher oiliness of ester. So that are the some advantages. And last, the limitations. It has high cloud and pour point cause problem in the fuel line. Means what? It is having high cloud point and pour point means what? It becomes cloudy in the winter. Next, it dissolves rubber hoses and gaskets. Next, shortage of vegetable oils. That is cost of biodiesel increases. So already we are not having vegetable oils for eating purposes. So then how can you use it for preparation of biodiesel? And last, it is strongly adheres to the metals, that is forming gummy products. So that is from biodiesel. So that's it from today's lecture. Thank you.